Hey guys, again welcome back to Landkari channel. Today I'm going to show for you some brand new thing. What is that means? Not a brand new thing. If you're the right person to see my video, I mean not like that. If you're the right person wants to download a OBS Studio in your laptop, means you're right. You clicked on my video. You're very lucky you clicked my video. So guys, if you're new to the channel, first pause the video, guys. Yes, guys, first pause the video, go down, press the bell icon and like this video. So no, I think so, I'm sure you have been subscribed. So let's we go on to the video. So guys, now I'm going to tell for you how to download OBS Studio. Nothing don't need to, guys. I'm now recording in OBS Studio only, guys. No problem. Now what you have to do is some Chrome browser, you can open it. So let me close this window. No, for you, no means for you this interface will be saying let me close this. Okay, mine it is closed. So guys, now I'm in the software only, guys. Yes, guys, now this link will be, by link it will be given in the description, guys. By link it will be given in the description. Directly you can go. One means you can type some you can go to some browser and type OBS, that's all. Then you have to go for this one, guys. This one, and don't go for first link when you are using Microsoft. If another browser, some browser it will be, you can go. So now what you have to do is, there's so many options out there, guys. I mean not so many, only three. This is Mac OS, this is a brand of Apple, then this is Lexo, let it be whatever. Then which people are seeing who have these two windows, you can use these two windows also. Then we have the windows, so that let me press the windows. And so guys, it will start downloading. Uh, I've been taken off this one, so by mistake I have been paused the video, so you can't be able to see that. So now Windows we have to press, guys, then automatically it will start downloading. So I have this already, so I don't want to download this one. So now what you have to do is after opening the Google, you will download some application, then finish that one, this one. So like that only you can do, guys, no problem. Then one interface will come for you, then you have to solve it. Not solve it means you wish you can customize that one. I have been customized already. So now it will be application here near you. I pinned in the taskbar. Again I'm going to open this one. Then after that our OBS Studio will be opened successfully, guys. Yes, guys, this is our recording screen. This is, I'm going to tell for you this screen, guys. S1, this one. So in this scene it will be, guys. Then screen 2 should be, if you take the screen 2, no, you can't see nothing, guys. You can't see nothing. See, I'm pressing this remove, then as no nothing you can't see. I hope it is recording well. Yes, it is recording. So I thought it won't record. Then if the screen is not showing you, play, then scene to, that's all. Okay, press okay, nothing, don't do. Then see, guys, here are the so many options. You want to capture the display, means simply display capture. After the display capture, that's all, don't need to do anything. One means you can take the cursor and take the cursor, no problem. Then you press okay, that's all, guys. See, you can see here how it is happening. And so and what you have to do is some now you want on some game or whatever you want to do, means see, guys, you can get from here only. Here everything, audio input capture, audio output capture, browse colors, all something, okay, everyone, blah 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 blah, okay, leave. And the video capture device also is there. Now now what you want is the game capture. Yes, guys, the game capture. Now one means you can change this name also, no problem. So guys, before that what you have to do is you have to go for scene, then you have to type, then scene 3 only, let it be, let me type. One means for confused will happen, means you can type. I'm typing Minecraft because I have Minecraft. So now the screen has become black. Now what you have to do is we have to press again here plus, then you have to go for game capture. Then don't need to delete again, want to come back to that screen, means you can type like this, you can come back like this. So here Minecraft, then plus again, then game capture, then again your Minecraft. One means you can type, no means let it be screen whatever. Okay, Now no need to do nothing. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to capture specific window. After that, you can see here one means you don't need this specific window, means full screen application also it is okay, but you want specific window will be very nice for you. So I'm saying this one. So the window what you have to use is after opening the game. Let me pause the video here. And guys, I opened the game Minecraft. Now you can see in the screen also been open the Minecraft. Now guys, what you have to do is, again I'll come back to the screen. So here now window, then you can see here, it is not showing, just a minute. Now it is showing, or what? And I'll close this one, disconnect. Again I will do this one. I'll remove this one, and the sound is also started to play. And now what you have to do is game capture, then you can change the name, I don't need now specific. And yes guys, you can see here now 1.16.5 Minecraft, and you have to press okay. Then one means you can adjust it from here, so it'll be like this one. One means you can adjust. See here, I'm going to adjust in this really big one. So okay, now I adjusted it. You are still want to adjust means here you want to studio mode. After that you can see here, now it will be alright for you, I'm thinking. So like this it will go for you, and whatever. No, okay, it is okay. And so guys, your screen is already came. You want to take the screen means simply sync to, that's all. Screen will come off and Minecraft, that's all. And when you're doing this one, see here, it will come. Now see here, you can see here. So like this you can play Minecraft. When you close it, automatically the screen will become black. And so now you can see like this. And this was the video. If you like, and one more thing guys, what means you want to apply the shortcuts means you can go like this, but no, I don't want to apply the shortcuts. Only for pure I kept CTRL. One means you can keep, I'm saying that's all. And here the video quality is main guys. You wish the video quality you can keep. Then from stream what you have to do is guys, here you can see custom switch YouTube. One means show, you can Twitter, then show all, then here everything will come guys. Then you want to in anything, not nothing is not there here which you want to do streamings. So you can where is YouTube, let me fix to YouTube. Yeah, no YouTube. Where is YouTube? Here YouTube it will be one means here it will be, you can see here more options are there. Here custom, you want to do some every in here no option is there means you can do custom every pin to pin, every it will be guys compulsorily, it will be everything. If it is in case it is not there means you can press here custom. After that, now you want to press YouTube means you can search here T. You have to search here T. Okay, we'll go down little. Okay, YouTube TRTMPS, that's all guys, RTMPS. Then you have to, then see here guys, while doing live stream you'll get one code. If you don't know how to get that code means you have to get stream key, then it will go take and go to live. From there you can get the stream key, then you can paste it here. Then what you have to then you can press start streaming, like you have to press start streaming, that's all. Then what you have to do is, then audio everything, the video quality you have to change it, you wish how much over. Then short guys, from here guys, see guys, I kept CTRL, only CTRL, then start streaming. You can keep here, so many are there, pin to pin everything are there guys, everything, each and everything. So here everything are there: output, input, stream, general. Okay guys, this was the video. If you like the video, I said for you everything, pin to pin everything. Now don't need to see any other video. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.